The number one reason why business owners don't want this POS right here is because they think that they're actually going to lose customers. I can tell you that that's not going to happen, and it's been proven time and time again. But if you're still not convinced, check out some of the numbers. So, say for easy numbers, your business does $100,000 in sales per month, and say that your business has 5,000 customers. So, on average, your typical customer comes into your business and they spend, say, about $20 per customer. And this is also known as your average ticket. And let's say that your profit margin is pretty average, especially for the restaurant industry. So say it's about 20% profit margin. So if you multiply $100,000 by 20% margin, that means that your profit, so the money that you're going to take home every single month, is going to be $20,000. Or that's the same thing as saying that your profit per customer is actually going to be $4. So every single time a customer buys an item or buys $20 worth of product from your store, you're going to make $4 in profit. But if you switched over to this POS, you're saving about 3% because that's money that you are not paying to the credit card processing company. This POS is actually turning you a profit. So instead of your profit being $20,000, your new profit is actually $23,000. So $3,000 higher than previously. So that's the same thing as saying instead of your profit margin being at 20%, your new profit margin is actually 23% because you're saving 3% in credit card processing fees. So if you take that 23% and you multiply it by your per customer, that's actually the same thing as $4.60. So now when somebody comes into your store, instead of you making $4 per customer, you're actually making $4.60 per customer. But maybe you're scared that you're actually going to lose customers with this new POS. How many customers do you think you're actually going to lose? Are you going to lose 10 customers, 20 customers, 100 customers? You probably raised your prices in the past before and you didn't lose 100 customers. That's a hard thing to do. You'd have to spit in their food or curse at your customers to actually lose 100 people from spending money at your business. But for making your customers pay a credit card processing fee of, say, 60 cents per transaction, you're not going to lose 100 customers. It's been proven time and time again. But I hear you, it's still a concern that you're actually going to lose business. So let's say that you do lose 100 customers. So instead, you have 4,900 customers that are still shopping with you, still spending money at your store. But instead, you're actually going to make $4.60 per customer. So if you do $4,900 and you multiply that by our new profit margin of $4.60, you would actually get a total of $22,540 in a profit per month by using this new processing, and that's still losing 100 customers. That's $2,540 more than your previous profit margin of $20,000. So you're turning this credit card processing expense and you're actually taking that, you're flipping it, and you're turning it into an actual revenue stream for your business. We've done this for hundreds of business owners all across the United States. Sure, some customers come into the store and after they pay, they question what that extra credit card processing fee is on their bill, but the fee is not enough for them to stop shopping at your business. Customers are already used to the idea of them paying for the credit card processing fees instead of you. Just look at gas stations, for example. At gas stations, they have the sign, and on the sign is listed a cash price and a card price. So if the customer pays with cash, they actually get a discount, or if the customer pays with their card, the customer pays the price, the cash price, plus a credit card processing fee on top of that. And that's the same exact thing that we're doing right here, except in this case, it makes the business owner an extra $2,500 per month. But it's obviously going to depend on your sales volume, your profit margin, and your average ticket size. If you want to talk about this more, we can actually hop on a one-on-one FaceTime or Zoom call, and we can show you exactly how this POS works and obviously answer any questions that you might have regarding the POS itself and if it can fit your business as well as the processing side of things. So click on that link down below in the description, and I look forward to talking to you guys. Peace.